Hi guys, welcome to SMC Tutorial. We are excited to announce that the SMC DAO app has officially launched, and we'll be kicking off a brand new tutorial series on how to navigate the SMC DAO app. So in this video, we'll begin with the very first step, how to set up an account and get started on the SMC DAO app. But before we dive into the tutorial, SMC Tutorials is part of the SMC DAO ecosystem. Here we create step-by-step guides that will help you navigate the crypto space, from airdrops to testnets to using both centralized and decentralized exchanges. Right? You can check out our YouTube channel, or you can check us out on the SMC DAO app and see some of the tutorials that we've already made. Right? So if you've been enjoying our content and would like to support what we do, you can buy our educational token WikiCat. WikiCat is built on the Binance Smart Chain network. Alright, and if you're just discovering us for the first time, right, be sure to subscribe, like, and turn on your bell so that you can be notified whenever we post a video. So the contract address of WikiCat is right in the description. Alright guys, so let's dive right into this. Alright, so once the SMC DAO app is installed in your phone, you are then set to create your account. Alright, to create your account, you're going to start by launching the app. So select the app. Alright, so if you already have an existing account, you can just select login and then provide your login details. Right, if you don't have an existing account, select join community. Alright, so you'll have to provide all of this information. Right, we're going to start with our full name. Okay, next is to input an email address. Alright, so next select your gender. Next select your country. You can input the name of your country for quick search. Alright, next your city of residence. Lagos. Alright, so once you're done, select continue. Alright, so we have another page and we'll have to provide all of this information. Right, so first off, provide your phone number. Alright, so next provide your X username. Alright, select your place of worship. You can input the name of your place of worship for quick search. So next, you'll have to tell how you heard about SMC DAO. So select from any of the options. Let's say from a friend. Alright, you can input the SMC ID of the person that referred you. Right, on the app there is reward for people that refer other people. Right, you can see it's actually optional. It's not compulsory for you to provide a referral ID. So once you're done with all of this, select continue. Alright, next select your occupation. You can input your occupation for quick search. So the last thing to do here is to create your SMC ID. So input a username. SMC Tutorials. Alright, so if it shows this, it means that your username is not accepted, probably because it's already taken by another user. Right, so you will have to input another username, or you can just modify what you've imputed. Alright, so this is accepted. So once you're done guys, select continue. You will have to go over to your email to get your OTP. So we're going to go over to our mail. You can see our OTP is already in. Select, then copy the code, copy, go back to SMC DAO, and then select paste. Alright, so select verify code. Alright guys, so to get approved and to join the community, you'll have to answer some quiz questions. So select take quiz. Alright, so you have to answer all of these questions one after the other. So take your time and ensure that you select the correct answers. Alright, so once you're done, select submit answers. Alright, so we scored 10 over 10 in our quiz, right? If you don't score up to at least 7 over 10, your application to join the community will be rejected and your registration will likely be unsuccessful. So ensure that you take your time to answer all the questions correctly. Alright, so once you're done, select close. Alright, so we're going to go back now by selecting the arrow icon. Alright guys, so it says verification pending, so you might just have to patiently wait for your verification to be completed, and you can go over to your email to check if you've been sent a confirmation message. So let's go over to our email. Alright guys, you can see we have a welcome message and the SMC badge alert. So once you join the SMC DAO community, you'll be given a badge, for downloading and setting up your account. So everybody gets a badge for downloading and setting up their account on the SMC DAO app. So as you can see, we've been onboarded, right? So we're going to go over to the SMC DAO app to log in. All right, select log in, input your email address. All right, select continue. Okay, go to your email for an OTP and paste. Select verify code. Alright, so we're asked to create a PIN for our account. Right, so ensure that you create a PIN for privacy and security reasons. Alright, we enter the PIN. Alright guys, so we are live on SMC DAO app, right? So it's actually that easy to onboard the SMC DAO app, right? So from this point, you can go about setting up your profile, joining group chats, you can start chatting, you can start using the library materials, among the many things that you can actually do on this amazing app. So we have finally come to the end of the tutorial. If you have questions concerning the tutorial, please drop your questions in the comment section. And do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you guys for watching the tutorial. Bye.